Hey everyone, this is Zach with Fairing Screen Gustafsson. We want to do a quick video. We know it's relatively simple for most of you, but we still just want to show how easy it is. We've got our Harley Davidson Sportglide fairing 2018 to 2020 so far. We'll see if they keep it going. And as you know, it comes with a real small windshield. I don't have it in front of you, maybe a 2-inch one, and we make quite a few different replacements for it. So we're going to show you how to click apart the fairing, put our new windshield in, and put it all back together. So I've already got most of the bolts out, but once you clamp off the fairing from the forks, you'll take it off. I lay down towel, old t-shirt, just something to put on the table so you don't scratch up the front of the paint job here. And then you just lay it down. And I believe it's a T25 bit. We've kind of gone through the bolts and changed it out, so I've got a hex key here. But there's 7 bolts, 3 on each side, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then the one in the middle. So I've already gotten out the side ones, so I'll just go ahead and take this middle one out. Now what a lot of people don't realize is you can actually reach in the back, the underside of the fairing here, and grab right where that bolt mounts just to make it real easy. And then we'll just ratchet it out here and take that apart. So that's how easy that comes apart. Make sure you save your bolts, and then we can set aside the top part of the fairing for now. So we'll take the inside piece, lay it down on the surface, and then this is our 9-inch windshield. So this is our one with the added width that really completes the fairing, kind of matches pretty well with it. So we're going to be putting that one on right now. And if you haven't already done so, you need to loosen the 2 bolts that hold the windshield. You don't have to take them all the way out. And then you'll slide the new windshield in. And really you want to start with just putting it in as far as you can go. So you can just focus on one side at a time. Slide one in. Tighten it down. You don't need to over tighten it. You don't have to worry about that. And then just enough that you can still slide it around. Then you'll hop over to the other side and do the same thing. You don't need to tighten it that much because it's also really going to be held on up at the top of the fairing when it clicks together. So here, before you actually put the other side of the fairing on, you can even it up a little bit so you can make sure that these line up. I'll do it like this. So I'm going to slide that side up just a hair and bring this side down just a hair, and then I'll hold it still at the tab while I tighten it a little bit more. So now that I'm happy with the fit, we can go ahead and take this and put the front side back on. You can see it's pretty sturdy on there. So I'll take the front side, lay it down. Sometimes these tabs don't exactly want to line up, so I normally like to I'll try to get it to line up first. And if it doesn't want to click together, I'll grab right behind in that middle where I did before for that middle bolt, kind of line it up, and we'll get that one started first to kind of hold everything stable. And then from there we can work on either side and make sure that that's clicked together. So I put those in. That one, and then that one. Now I'm not going through and tightening them all the way, but you know, you can when you're ready to go. And then once I get this side lined up, I can kind of see I need to take my windshield up a little bit higher. So I'm going to see if I can do that now. If you've tightened the bolt a little bit too much, oh, there you go, that's not bad. If you tighten the bolt a little bit too much, then you'll need to just take those back off, loosen the bolt that holds the windshield, and take that one up. But mine slid a little bit, just enough to make me happy. And then you'll just do the last bolts. Got one more hiding somewhere. Oh, I'm not sure where the last one is, so that's a note just to make sure that you have all your bolts on the table, nice and clean surface, which I do. I'm not sure where the other one is. Might not have had it over here actually. So I hope that helps give you a quick overview of how you put the windshield on. From there, it's a pretty simple, you just clamp it on your forks and you're good to go. But this is our 9-inch windshield for the Sportglide. So thanks again for watching. As always, we make all of our windshields to order. So if you want a different size or color for your Sportglide, let us know. We've also got a few different styles. And then they're not on here, but we also have some deflectors, lower deflectors that sit right here.